In this video, you'll learn how to change your payment method on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to manage your payment options effectively and ensure smooth transactions in the future. Begin by logging in to your eBay account. Once you are signed in, locate your account settings. This can typically be found by hovering over your username or profile icon in the top right corner of the home page. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select the option labeled Account Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section related to payments or payment methods. This section is where you can manage all your saved payment options. After selecting this area, take a moment to review any existing payment methods already linked to your account. It is important to ensure you are using a secure connection during this process to protect your financial information. Next, choose the option to add a new payment method or update an existing one. You will be prompted to enter the required details such as your card number, expiration date, or linked account information. It is crucial to carefully review the information you enter to avoid any errors that could cause issues during transactions. Some systems may request verification to confirm the payment method you have entered. This step is important as it ensures that the payment option is properly connected to your account. Accurate details will help you avoid any payment issues when making purchases or paying seller fees. After entering your payment details, click the Save or Confirm button to store the payment method securely for future transactions. Once you complete this action, the platform will confirm that your payment method has been updated. You can return to the payment settings page to verify that the update was successful. Remember, you can remove or change payment methods at any time, and keeping your payment options updated ensures smoother transactions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.